students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this school situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay. On last day we have learned multiplying by 1, multiplying by 0, multiplying by 10, skip count by 10, skip count by 5, multiplying by 5, doubles, skip count by 2 and multiplying by 2. Okay, but today we will learn some questions that is depended on calculation. Okay, so we have to multiply now. On first you can see here that question is given, we have to multiply 3 from 2. Okay, so we will read the table of 2 3 times, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So there will be 6. We will write 6 on ones place because on tens place there is nothing. Okay, so there will be 6 is on ones place. In next you can see here that we have to multiply 6 from 5. So we have to read the table of 5 6 times, that is 5 1 are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30. So here we will write 30. Okay, on tens place will be 3 and on ones place will be 0. Hence 3 tens 0 ones make 30. Okay, in next question there is we have to multiply 9 from 2. So we have to read the table of 2 9 times, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. So here will be 18. On tens place we will write 1 and on ones place we will write 8. So 1 10 0 and 8 ones make 18. 1 8 18. Question 4. We have to multiply 7 from 2. So we have to read the table of 2 7 times, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. So here will be 14. So we will write ones place is 4 and on tens place there will be 1. So that's make 1 10, 4 ones make 14, 1 4 14. Fifth, that is question is 7 multiply 5. We have to multiply 7 from 5. So we will read the table of 5 7 times, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35. So here will be 35. On tens place there will be 3 and on ones place there will be 5. Hence 3 tens 5 ones make 35. In question 6 we have to multiply 3 from 5. So we have to read the table of 5 3 times, that is 5 1 are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So here we will write 15. On tens place here will be 1 and on ones place here will be 5. So 1 10 5 ones make 15. Next question is we have to multiply 8 from 5, question number 7. So we have to read the table of 5 8 times, that is 5 1 are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35 and 5 8s are 40. So here will be 40. Okay, on tens place will be 4 and on ones place there will be 0. So 4 tens 0 ones make 40. Okay. In next question, that is 3 multiply 5, we have to multiply 3 from 5. So we have to read the table of 5 3 times. That is 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. So here will be 15. Okay. And on tens place we will write 1, and on ones place we will write 5. So 1 tens 5 ones make 15. Next question is color the flower green if the answer is correct, color the flower red if the answer is not correct. We have to color the green if the answer is correct. If the answer of the multiplication is correct, then you have to color from green, color the flower from green. And when the answer is not correct, the answer is wrong, multiplication answer is wrong, then you have to color the flower from red. Okay. That is, first question is 10 multiply 2. We know that 2 tens are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So here should be 20, not 12, and it is written 12. So the first is our not correct. Okay. So the first flower we will color from red. Okay. Which color we will color? We color from red because the answer is not correct. In second, the multiplication is 7 multiply 2 equal 14. We know that 2 sevens are not 14. Sorry, 2 sevens are 14. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. And 2 sevens are 14. So the and 14 is also written. So the answer is correct, and we will color the flower from green. Okay. First from red, second from green. And third, there is given 6 multiply 5 equal 10. We know that 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30. There should be 30, but it is given 10. So that is wrong. Okay. So we will color the flower from red. Which color we will color the flower? From red, because there should be 30 and the answer is not correct. Okay. Question 4, we have to multiply 5 from 5. Then we have to read the table of 5 times. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and 5 fives are 25. So here will be 25, and also written 25. So our answer is correct. So we will color the flower from green, because we have to color the flower green for right answer. So 25 is the right answer or correct answer. Okay. In fifth, that is given 15 multiply 1 equal 12. We know that when a number is multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. That means if you multiply 15 from 1, the answer will be 15, not 12, and it is given 12. So our answer is incorrect, is not correct. So we will color the flower from red. Okay. In 6, we have to multiply 10 from 6. We know that 6 tens are 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Sorry, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Okay. So here will be 60 and also written 60. So the answer is correct. So we will color it from green. Okay. And now question D, we have to write T for true and F for false. Okay. Let's start. There is first is given 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 5 is 35. That will be true or false? That will be true, because 7 times 5 makes 35. 7 multiplied 5 equal 35. Second, 4 groups of 10 is 14. 4 groups of 10 is 14. 4 groups of 10 will be 10 multiplied 4 equal 40. 40 40, not 14. Okay, so second is false. First true, second false. Third, 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 2 is added 4 times, that is make 8, and 10 multiplied 2 is make 20. So both are not equal. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 is added 4 times, that make 8, and 10 multiplied 2 make 20. So both are not equal, so that is false. Okay. Fourth, 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. 9 multiplied by 2, that means 9 multiplied 2 equal 18. That is true. Okay. Fourth is true. Fifth, 0 multiplied 2 equal 2. False. Why? Because if you multiply a number, when you multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. So 0 multiplied 2 will be 0, not 2. Okay. So fifth will be false. 6, 10 multiplied 10 equal 110. We know that 10 tens are, there are 100 and there is 110 written. That is false. So 6 is false. There will be 100, not 110. Now come on, story sums. That is given some examples here. Sanjeev used 10 sheets of paper to make a project. That means Sanjeev used 10 sheets of paper to make a project. For a project, Sanjeev used 10 sheets of paper. How many such sheets of paper will Sanjeev need to make 5 projects? Then how many sheets of paper will Sanjeev need to make 5 projects? For one project, Sanjeev needs 10 sheets of paper. And for 5 projects, how many sheets of paper will Sanjeev need? Okay. So number of sheets of paper Sanjeev need to make 5 projects, that will be 10 multiplied 5 equal 50. Why? Because 10 is the number of sheets of paper required to make one project, and Sanjeev have to make 5 projects. Okay. So 10 multiplied 5 equal 50. So Sanjeev needs 50 sheets of paper to make 5 projects. Okay. So Sanjeev needs 50 sheets of paper to make 5 projects. Okay. Next is, in a neighborhood there are 10 rows of houses. If there are 8 houses in each row. Second, in a neighborhood there are 10 rows of houses. If there are 8 houses in each row, how many houses are there in the neighborhood? What can say? In a neighborhood there are 10 rows of houses, and in each row there are 8 houses. Okay. So there are how many houses there are in the neighborhood? So number of the houses in the neighborhood will be 10 multiply 8. Why? Because 10 is the number of rows and 8 is the number of houses in each row. So 10 multiply 8 equal 80. So there are 80 houses in the neighborhood. Common exercise 4.6, that is, Rehana collect. Solve these sums. First is, Rehana collect rupees 10 coins. If she has collected 10 such coins, how much money does she have? Rehana collect rupees 10 coins. That is, collect rupees 10 coins, and she collected 10 such coins. Okay. So how much money does she have? So money does she have will be 10 multiply 10. First 10 is number of coins, and second 10 is the value of each coin, that is 10 rupee. Okay. So 10 multiplied 10 equal 100 rupee. So Rehana have 100 rupees. Okay. Now second is, there are 9 trees in a park. There are 9 trees in a park. In a park there are 9 trees. If there are 2 monkeys on each tree, and on each tree there are 2 monkeys, so how many monkeys are there in the park? 9 trees in a park. On each tree there are 2 monkeys. Okay, so 9 on 9 tree there will be 9 multiply 2. That means 9 is the number of trees and 2 is the number of monkeys on each tree. So 9 multiply 2 equal 18. So total number of monkeys are 18. So 18 monkeys are there in the park. Okay. There is a hot question we have studied. Aman has 10 coins of rupees 10 each. Aman has 10 coins of rupees 10 each and Alisa has 4 coins of 5 each. Can they together buy a ball that costs rupees 40? You know that Aman has 10 coins of rupees 10 each. That is the total rupees Aman has 10 multiply 2. Why? Because 10 is the number of coins and 2 is the value of coins. Okay. So 10 multiply 2. So Aman has 20 rupees and Alisa has 4 coins of rupees 5 each. So she has 4 multiply 5. 4 is the number of coins and 5 is the value of each coin. Okay. So 4 multiply 5 equals 20. So Aman has 20 rupees and Alisa have also rupees 20. When they will make together, they have 40 in all. Okay. So they can buy a ball that cost is rupees 40. So together they can buy a ball that cost is rupees 40. Okay. You have to write exercise B and C of exercise 4.5. Question B and C and D you have to write in your CW copy, and exercise 4.6 also you have to write in your CW copy. Thank you.